numbers grow stronger by the day. You no longer have to live in fear. The time has come for benders to experience fear.
Hello, chat. Welcome back to another episode of Bungo Stray Dogs Season 4, Episode 10. Look, I know it's been a minute since I dropped the Bungo episode, but we back. Let's go with a hot rating in episode 10. You mean, what's his name, right? Okay. Yeah, they supposed to be mean, Francis, right? Big Port Mafia, bro. So don't go near your business. Don't let anyone hurt the agency. That's real. Worry what? Yeah? If the bloodhounds pull up, it might be up. I can't lie. Oh, this that girl. That's that woman. Okay. Damn. Kenny, stop running up. Oh! Alright, y'all niggas gonna have to bang because Kenny just got knocked the fuck out. Oh no! This nigga, wait. This nigga, of the 78 strategy proposals I wrote. Okay. 74 involves selling the agency members. Bruh. Why didn't you make it? Wait, so he didn't. Everything I ate tasted like sand. Damn. That's how you know the shit bad. Back on their feet. That's real. That's real life. Yeah, let's go. Even say that. That's what I'm talking about, Francis. Okay. Who the fuck threw that weapon? Was it the nigga with the extendo blade? No. Who the fuck is this? Oh no! Stop! Oh no! He got. Oh! Kenji! Okay, let's do it! Got it. Let's go! Let's go. Oh yeah. Man. Squad's on ground. Oh. W. Okay, let's do it. If the $500 come, this escape route will be destroyed. No, is he the fifth? Because we only have been introduced to 4. Huh? What are you talking about? Oh. Does she really think they gonna leave her, bro? Stop, bro. You is not finna die here, bro. Well, I hope none of y'all die here. You just meant to reach your escape vehicle. So there's multiple. If one of them dies or like one of them is near death. Okay, Akatsuchi. You the MC now. We need you to lock in. Thou shall not die. Let's go. That's true. Facts, how? Do they got a mole on the inside? Oh no. Who is this dude? That is true. Winning isn't important. That is also true. Oh. That is true. Bruh. Facts, nigga, who are you? Like, what the fuck? Wait, is he the other member? No way it's him. It's him? He pulled up the hill. What? No, both of them pulled up. Salute. That's real. Oh yeah, let's bang. Ain't worried. Let's go. Only got me. Bro, like that, bro. Come on. Anyway, this blade looking strong as fuck though. I can't. Oh, he broke the blade. Whoa. Oh no. Show your face. He can make all the pieces of the sword. No. Oh no. For Mafia. One of them characters I never thought he would die. Off without her. No fucking way though. I don't believe it, bro. I don't believe it. The proximity bomb will blow their heads off. Talking about the nigga with the sword, nothing good been happening in this arc at all. That is true. That's real. I was caught breaking into a safe owned by some serious crooks. But I had to be a grunt for them. Okay. I was either my brother nor his opposite, but someone else entirely. Cumulative, I would have no regrets. Damn, that's a bar. Shit. Huh? What? It's the dude! Oh, that ability is nasty. Niggas just die like that, bro. Let's do it, Yoshino. This is you. Master of Metals. So so it is him. Demon, bro. The fifth member of the hunting dogs. Of the bloodhounds. Whichever one you want to call them niggas, bro. Wait. So he can control the bullets too. Oh, bro. This nigga lifted up a boat. He is really trying to kill you right now. That's real. They brought you here. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh! You're gonna have to do a lot more than that to kill her. Damn. What isn't it like a metal, what's the name on it though? Can't you just self-destruct that bitch? Huh? She's oh damn, he stabbed you in the tendon. Fuck. Ain't no way. Fuck, and you just got all four of these niggas. Is it that freaking butterfly on her? Why the bomb was a fake. Wait. No way! This nigga's the fifth hunting dog? No way. No way. So you telling me? Do as you wish. Damn. No, stop. Oh, liberal. That being said, make sure you like, subscribe for more, and I catch you in the next one. Peace.